Today, we're comparing two popular website builders, Wix and Webnode. Both platforms offer a range of features to help you create a professional-looking website without coding knowledge. However, they have distinct advantages and disadvantages. Let's dive in to see which one might be the best fit for you. Wix offers a wide range of features, including a drag-and-drop editor, free hosting, and hundreds of templates. It also provides SEO tools, social media integration, and an app market. Webnode, on the other hand, offers fewer features. It does have an easy-to-use editor and free hosting, but it lacks the variety of templates and advanced features offered by Wix. So, in terms of features, Wix has an edge. When it comes to pricing, Webnode offers more affordable plans. Its premium plans start at $3.95 per month, while Wix's pricing plans start at $14 per month. Both platforms offer free versions, but Wix's free plan is more limiting with visible ads. Therefore, if cost is a primary concern, Webnode is a more budget-friendly option. Wix provides a more intuitive user experience with its drag-and-drop editor, making it easier for beginners to create a website. Webnode's interface is also user-friendly, but lacks the flexibility and customization options that Wix offers. Therefore, for a more seamless and customizable design experience, Wix stands out. Integrations are crucial for enhancing a website's functionality. Wix supports a wider range of third-party integrations through its app market, including analytics, marketing, and social media tools. Webnode, while offering some integrations, falls short in this area compared to Wix. Thus, if you need extensive integration options, Wix is the better choice. Both Wix and Webnode offer reliable performance and security features, including SSL encryption. However, Wix provides more robust security measures, like secure payment processing for e-commerce websites. In performance, Wix websites tend to load a bit faster, so for stronger performance and security, Wix has a slight advantage. In terms of customer support, Wix offers more comprehensive assistance, including 24/7 support via phone and email. Webnode only offers email support. Regarding scalability, Wix's wide range of plans and features can better accommodate a growing business. So, for better support and scalability, Wix is ahead. Considering all factors, Wix emerges as the winner. It offers more features and integrations, a better user experience, stronger performance and security measures, and superior support and scalability. While Webnode offers more affordable pricing, the overall value provided by Wix is more substantial. However, your specific needs and budget should ultimately guide your choice. Thank you for watching our comparison of Wix and Webnode. We hope this comparison has been helpful in your decision-making process. Please hit the like button if you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos like this one.